You're looking for a new pop filter? I was too. I was sick of that big ugly one that was scratching everything and ruining everything. Check this one out. This is nice, compact, small. I'm talking on it now. It works absolutely perfectly. You can hear that P. It doesn't come out too bad. It's really kind of clean. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We're going to get to the unboxing of this PEMOTech windscreen or pop filter, whatever you want to call it. Let's get into the video.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Your Review Channel. Do appreciate you tuning into this one. So this one's about pop filters. So if you ever have this type of pop filter, and everybody seems to be using this type of pop filter, especially if you have a nice microphone, you need a pop filter because, you know, if you talk to the microphone directly, you get a lot of it. You start spiking and you don't want that. So everybody buys these pop filters, and these are really cool and they really work, but they're annoying. They're big, they're just too large for, you know, if you're working on a computer and you're doing voiceover work and the pop filter is too big and you can't see the screen and it's in your way and it keeps falling over and it doesn't sit right, it doesn't screw on correctly. I don't know. I've been having a lot of trouble with this pop filter, so I've been looking for a solution for a while, and honestly, I'm getting sick of this. Tell me what you think below. Leave any what you think below about your pop filter. Leave any questions or comments down below. But this is just in the way. It doesn't sit on the arm correctly. It scratches the arm, boom arm. It's just, I think it's basically, it's gotta go. I mean, it's great. It's your $7 to $10, you know, standard pop filter. You can get online. Everybody sells them. They're really simple. They work, but they just block the whole microphone. I mean, so if you're either trying to read lyrics, if you're trying to sing, if you're doing a voiceover, if you're doing an audio book, if you're doing voiceover, any kind of voiceover work, it blocks the screen. I mean, look at the size of this thing. This thing is monstrous. But the biggest issue I'm having is that it just keeps scratching the boom arm. It keeps falling over. It keeps, every time I hook it up, it keeps moving. It's just annoying. So I found another solution. I went online and I ordered this pop filter right here, okay? From PEMOTech, PEMOTech, professional 3-layer pop filter. So I saw this online. It's a really small, compact pop filter, but I'm telling you, this thing is super awesome. It's not a lot of money, but I'm telling you, it's a huge difference. So we're doing an unboxing on this. We're going to take a look at this together, and we're going to see. So we're going to compare the two different ones side by side, and I'm telling you, this thing is fantastic. So let's take a look at it together. It comes nicely packaged, real simple. And what I love about this, honestly, is the small footprint, okay? This thing is just so much smaller. So let's take a look at this together and just take a look at it and see what we have.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching my video. I do appreciate that. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'm talking on the microphone now with the pop filter. What do you think? Don't forget to subscribe. Let's get back to the review.
So what we have here is a multi-layer filter system here. So you can see it's got a mesh screen with some stuff, like almost like a how to explain, like a spongy type of fabric that helps absorb any sound. So the idea behind it, so you have the filter here, okay? Let's see what it says in the box. It has multi-layers, so it's a high quality acoustic filter, preventing pops, recording vocals, friendly effects of microphone, protects microphone and from saliva and dust. And that's what it says on the package here. But this is a really, really cool. I'll leave some links down below where you can purchase this. There's different sizes for different microphones. For this size here is an Audio Technica AT2035 is the microphone that I have here in front of you. And this pop filter works on this absolutely perfect. So it has 3 layers. So it has, it's a nice U shape, which is really cool. It's compact, and it's really just the design behind this. It's just super, super simple. Okay, it's got the foam inside here, so it really helps with reverb. It helps with the pop, you know, with the sound. I love this. This is absolutely fantastic. So it's got some little rubber elastics in the back, and they give you a couple of extra in the bag. So if they do break, so you get 2 extra, and these just mount behind the microphone, and it actually just basically just sits there. It's just absolutely perfect. Now let's look at the difference. Okay, so this is the screen, and you can see when it's on here, right? Absolutely fits just over the microphone. Okay, it doesn't impede. You can see over the microphone. Okay, which is super, super important. And let's look at the difference of these. Look at the size difference of these things. Okay, huge difference in my book. Look at these 2 different sizes. absolutely insane. Okay, this is going to do the exact same thing as this, but it's not going to scratch your boom arm. Yeah, you're going to have full vision, a full view of your screen if you're working on something, if you're reading something on a screen. And that to me is like huge, right? So I'm trying to do my voiceovers and I can't see the screen and it's just a pain in the neck. And this thing works fantastic. So look at the difference in size, okay? It's like huge. Look at it's just huge difference, and it does the same thing or even better. And another cool thing about this, the way it's designed, if you look inside here, so it has an automatic little buffer inside here. So it pushes the microphone away from the screen so you don't get any noise from the screen. It also gives you a little distance on the microphone, which is just enough so you can be right against the screen talking, and it's just perfect audio. And to install it, it's super easy. All you have to do is put it on the microphone and slide it down just like that. Now that is a perfect, okay? It sits on the back, absolutely perfect, and it's not in your way, okay? Huge difference. All right, look at this thing. This thing is a monster. It's just outdated. It's just not any good. This is the way to go. Okay, guys, I'm doing some sound tests. I've tried it. I love this thing. This thing is just perfect. It's out of the way. It's perfect size. It's just an awesome situation. All right, guys, I'll leave some links down below where you can find this. Make sure you look at the measurements. There's different sizes for different microphones. It's not for the Blue Yeti. I don't know if they're coming out with a bigger one for that. I'm not sure, but right now it's for the little bit smaller of the cardioid microphones. So it's but it really works really well. All right, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you think. I mean, I think it's a no-brainer. Honestly, look at this thing. Look at the comparison. This thing is the best. All right, guys, appreciate you tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Any comments, leave down below. Please like the video. Please share it with everybody you know who actually does recordings online. All right, guys, any type of voiceover work, I appreciate it, and I'll see you at the next review.